Hi friends, Namaskar. I Yagavta Sharma welcomes you to the Future Pro YouTube channel. This is the next video in the series of career. In my last video, we had discussed about the culinary art. Culinary art means the cooking food and presentation of the food for the persons who are visiting your restaurant. In this video, we are going to tell you about the career in the biomedical engineering. Before proceeding ahead, I request you to please see the videos, like them, share them, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that as soon as any video in any section of Future Pro YouTube channel is launched, you get the information immediately and you don't miss the video of your area of interest. Let's talk about the career in the biomedical science, biomedical engineering. What is biomedical engineering? As everybody is aware that engineering has become the part of almost all the sciences, whether it's a medical, whether it's the engineering, or whatever is the field you see in your life. Biomedical engineering is basically focused on the engineering practices related to the medical world. Nowadays, a lot of engineering is going on. The MRI, you see the MRI machines, you see the CT scans, you see the ultrasound machines, and so many. And lot of engineering is going on in this area. Now, what does a biomedical engineering includes? It includes the biology and biomedicals, technology in the biomedicals, and the biomedical processes, etc., which are related to the physics, or you can say in this way. What are the job prospects after doing the course in the biomedicals? There are so many options available in this field. For example, you can be a biomedical engineer. You can improve upon the MRI machine, CT scans, and whatever the technology is being used for the diagnosis of a disease in the medical field. You can be a physician also. You can be a research scientist. You can be a lecturer in a medical college or similar kind of the institute, or you can be a technical writer. There are so many options available in this field. What are the course level? There are, as usual, you know that every course starts with the undergraduate level, the postgraduate level. You can go for the PhD in this field also. The entry level is undergraduate level. For undergraduate level, you have to be, the degree course available is the BTech in the biomedical engineering. The duration of the course is 4 years, and eligibility, as usual, it's 10+2 or 12th pass or equivalent with the PCM or the PCB subjects. Let's talk of the pay package for the person who is entering in this field. The pay package varies between 5 lakhs to the 12 lakhs, depending on your experience, your knowledge, and the institutes you are working with. So now let's talk of how to get admission in the course, the BTech in biomedical sciences or biomedical technology. You can get through admission through the JEE mains and the advanced. Everybody knows about these courses, and there are certain institutes who takes their own examination, like West Bengal JEE, IMU CET, SRM JEE, MET VITEE, and ERM CET. These are the tests for getting admission in the course. Now, I let you know about the top colleges available in India. Number 1 is VIT Vellore, NIT Rourkela and Raipur, Thapar Institute of Technology Patiala, SRM Engineering College Kanchipuram, MIT Udupi, Satyabhama Institute of Science and Technology Chennai, JNTU Hyderabad, BVDU Pune, and Karunya Institute of Science and Technology Coimbatore. These are the top institutes available in India. Now I tell you about the colleges available in abroad also. Harvard University carries this course. MIT, the Massachusetts Institute of the Technology, that also carries this course. University of the East London, Ryerson University, Canada, the University of the Sydney, King's College London, and Boston University. These are the few universities and abroad who run these courses regarding the biomedical sciences. I end this video here, and thanks all of you to watch this video. Be happy, be healthy, take care in this time. All the best.